The MemeFi team is working behind the scene to give this project an amazing listing, which I believe is one of the reasons why the little delay in listing for about 2 months now. We are running down and this airdrop is about to go live. Snapshot is still on the 15th of this very month of November 2024. What that means is you need to wrap things up and get ready for the listing on the 22nd of this very month of November. As we await the MemeFi snapshot and the listing, there are few changes and updates that is on the MemeFi mini app right now on Telegram that we need to discuss and pay a critical attention to. So in this video, let's discuss MemeFi new updates, MemeFi exchange listing, price prediction, and are you getting this very airdrop? All of this in this video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Also check the description of this very video and also in the pinned comments, and join our Telegram channel for more crypto updates and investing strategies. If you come right here to your MemeFi mini app, there are a few changes. You discover that the layout of this very platform have actually changed, with some icons have flipped over, and this also means that I think we are about getting done with this very mining, and more reason why you need to wrap things up right now. If you are not mining aggressively, begin to do that and ensure you stack up as much coin as you can. The most important thing is that if you observe, there used to be wallets around this very bottom, but now you can see wallet right at this very point. And if you click on wallet, because something very important right there is that you see airdrop and main. So if you go to main, you still have your linear network, which I told you before that I think they are going to roll out other deposit option. Okay, that's other claim option. Reason why I don't have any dollars right here for now. And if I go back to this airdrop section, you discover there are a lot of stuff right here. You see the first one here is connect your wallet on seal for the airdrop. The second one is switch wallets or disconnect anytime, and then the last one here is claim your airdrop tokens on the listing day. So these are several options that is available right now, and right down here you say connect OKX wallet, claiming of airdrop on listing day. Okay, so this is what I am waiting for. Reason why I have not connected to Seal network, I believe strongly that the MemeFi team is going to roll out other option, for example direct deposit or claim to Binance, and that is what I am waiting for. And to further buttress this and to make you know that there have been a lot of partnership behind the scene between Binance and MemeFi team right now, and the reason why I'm also thinking this is also going to be an amazing listing. Not only that, Binance listing can come all the way. If you read this very statement, that was the last post on the MemeFi community. This very last one, it said, in the next few days expect more announcements regarding the listings and the exchanges. Right now we just have just one exchange, which is OKX, that have been properly announced by the MemeFi team. I believe as a result of a lot of partnership that have been on with Binance campaigns and all of those stuff, Binance is going to come on. Reason why I think I need to wait, because I prefer claiming my airdrop to Binance, especially for those airdrop that have Binance as one of their deposit or claim option. More reason why I also believe that maybe some of you watching this video right now, you might have connected your Seal network or you might have connected to your linear network. That is no problem about that. You can still change it, okay, by going to this wallet section and you go to airdrop and you will see this option right here that said switch wallet or disconnect anytime. You can use this option and do that, or you can connect to your OKX wallet directly. This is very important right now. So this is an update that you need to pay attention to. Remember, your main right here still remains the same. The most important thing is this very airdrop section, which will allow us to claim to any platform. The next thing I want to actually talk about here is the pre-market price. If you look at MemeFi pre-market price, it have gained momentum with 18.18% increase from 0.01 to 0.013. Before, we saw this drop to 0.007, that is 207, which was a drastic drop, but as a result of Bitcoin and other crypto pump, it actually pumped all the way to the upside. What I am actually looking for is something very great from the MemeFi team. Although I am not over expecting from the team, I'm actually keeping my expectation very, very low. But I believe the listing is going to be pretty fair, even though it does not go as expected 100%. We can see like 60% or 70% expectation come to pass. One important thing here is if you look at all the coin available on pre-market on Bitgate, you see that MemeFi right now have the highest volume, which is 2.19 million volume. That is the stake that have been placed on this very token on pre-market. And in as much as we have this as the biggest, there is no other token right here that even have half of the volume of MemeFi, that is $1 million. This one actually approached that very max, but it's not even up to $1 million. So MemeFi is 2.19 million volume right now, and with this increase as well, it's a significant increase, which means this token have capability of doing well, although we need to wait for that very reality to come to pass. Next thing here is if you look at the overview of this very coin, we already know that the MemeFi team is going to give 90% of this very airdrop to the community, 5% to the Web3 game players, and also 85% to Telegram mini app players. And if you are playing on the both side, then you should be on a bigger advantage of getting the token from the Web3 mini app and also on the Telegram mini app. Notwithstanding, the MemeFi total supply remains 10 billion. This is not going to change. Okay, this is not going to change. And with this, we can know the market capitalization of what this very token is going to be when it is listed, and after listing, maybe 24 hours or 44 hours, or maybe 3 days after listing. And this is very important. Meanwhile, while we are waiting for that very listing to come, we can check what we should be expecting from this very team right now. And one important thing here is if you say that there is 10 billion token that's going to be in circulation, then that means if you have this multiplied by 0.13, which is what the pre-market price is right now, this is going to give you a $130 million market capitalization for MemeFi. That is if the total supply equals circulating supply. That means if the entire 10 billion token is released into circulation. I'm talking about this year right now. So if this entire 10 billion is released into circulation, then that means we should be looking at a $130 million market capitalization, which in my opinion, it is possible, but I am not expecting this much from the MemeFi team. The reason is because recent time we've seen the Web3 project, the market capitalization at listing is always 30 million and $100 million market capitalization. This is very important. So within this range is what we've seen play to earn games do in the past. And from this very analysis that is on chain, we should not over expect from the MemeFi team. Things can go pretty well to the north, but if you look at this, you need to keep your expectation very, very low so that if the MemeFi team fails, it do not affect your psychology or mentality. So this is very important. So I am looking at something very, very small compared to what we are seeing on the pre-market price right now. So if they release the entire 10 billion into circulation and you multiply that by 0.0 0.05, then you should be having a $50 million market capitalization. If you go a little bit down to 0.204, you should be having a $40 million market capitalization. Although what I am looking at personally is the market to start 0.04 or 0.05, as the case may be. Within these two numbers, I am expecting the market to start with this very market capitalization, which is $40 million or $50 million, and then market can move a little bit to the upside, giving us something like 0.208 with a $80 million. A market can do pretty fine upward to 0.101, which is $100 million. Personally, I am not expecting the market to do above $100 million because that is what most Web3 have been all this while. I mean, the market capitalization of most Web3 have been within $30 million and $100 million market capitalization. Don't expect the MemeFi token to do more than $100 million market capitalization. The possibility is there, but you over expecting more than $100 million is a very, very high risk for you, and it is on the high side, which can affect your psychology. So to keep things simple, please guys, just look at something 0.004, which is a $40 million market capitalization, which is very, very possible, very, very possible, and also 0.005 minimum, and market can go up a little bit to 0.008, which is a $80 million market capitalization. So with this, you can use this to calculate the possible amount of token you're going to get from this very token in airdrop. This is what I am looking at, nothing more and nothing else. This is what you should be paying attention to right now from the MemeFi team. So even though we did not see the entire token release into circulation, let's say for example the MemeFi team decide to release just 90% of the token, okay, 90% of the total supply into circulation, that is $9 billion. I am still expecting that listing be between 0.004 to 0.008 despite the initial circulating supply. The question is, are you getting this airdrop or you are not? For you to confirm that, please click right here where you see airdrop, and if all these things are checked, then I think you should be in for a bigger airdrop. This mining ends in 2 days. This is very important. Mining is ending in 2 days, and if all these are checked, then that means you are in for a big airdrop from the MemeFi team. So if mining ends in 2 days, what you should be focusing on right now is to wrap up things by increasing your coin balance. Do all you can do within your capability to increase your coin balance and also interact with the MemeFi ecosystem, because that is one of the criteria that they are going to use for this very airdrop and allocation. So this is very important, guys. Pay attention to this, and more updates coming on board as we await the next announcement by the MemeFi team, since mine is going to end in the next 2 days. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. There is a video I did on Casper that you need to watch right here. It's going to help you invest in Casper properly, which is one of the best layer 1 crypto in this very bull market. Check it out. Join our Telegram channel with a link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.